The library is a lot of different things to people. So sometimes students need quiet space, sometimes they need group space.
2x minus 2x squared.
I'm Mandy Shannon, Head of Instruction and Research Services at the University Libraries. We just had 4 Fit Desk bikes purchased for us from the Friends of the Libraries. A Fit Desk bike is a stationary bike. It is not intended to be a Peloton.
And draw those hands to third, 90 seconds.
We've got a campus rec center for people who really want to work out and get an intense biking session. It's a way to have some non-sedentary study time. If you feel like you need to move a little bit, you can do that.
When I first walked in, I thought they were pretty cool and I was ready to jump on it, but I didn't want to get in trouble. But you know, hey, I already did it, so.
I like alternating between sitting and then moving around a little bit because I feel like spending hours in the library not moving, you get stiff, you get tired.
The noise of the keyboard on a laptop is louder than the bike itself. The bikes are designed with a desk that expands big enough to support a laptop, and they also have props so that you can prop up a notebook.
Kind of drives me more. It's making me very attentive.
A lot of students will find that it's very enjoyable, you got a nice view, and then it's just a fun thing to do.
So there's also some social studying. We know that students study together, and so this gives them a chance to do that as well. Our social media team said it was the most engagement we've ever gotten from a social media post. I hope that it's a hit. We have a lot of different spaces and a lot of different ways for students to study, and so I hope that this gives students who need to move around a little bit when they study find it a good outlet.